Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be talking about the Kindle app and how to use it. Let's get started. The Kindle app by Amazon turns your phone, tablet or computer into an ebook reader. You can buy, download and read ebooks, magazines and even comics, and also you don't need a physical Kindle device to use it. Now let's move to how to use it. First, in order to do that, you need to go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. Go to the app store, open up, then search Kindle on the search bar at the top of your page. Search Kindle, and then after this icon pops up with Amazon Kindle, tap on that and you'll have the install button right there. So tap on install and then open up your app and sign in with your Amazon account, and if you don't have one, then you can create one free. Once logged in, to start reading, tap library if you already own books. The bottom of your page besides your home, there's the library option. Tap on that to start reading if you already own books, or if you haven't, you can just search it on the store. To download, search the book you want to read, then tap on it and you can see the download option right here under the get book section. So tap on download. After downloading it, it will appear on your library. So tap on that and then you can enjoy your reading. Then swipe left to turn on the pages like this, and you can also adjust your reading experience by changing font size, style, brightness. Also you can switch between light mode and dark mode. Then you can highlight text, make notes or use the dictionary by tapping a word. So that is how you can use the Kindle app to enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.